In this video, we will focus on finding missing terms in the data when mean or median is given. So let's start with an example. So we are given this data with the numbers 8, 7, 5, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, and x, and we are given the mean of this data as 6. Now, if you haven't watched my earlier video which says the basics of mean, median, mode, please watch that video before if you do not know the basics. Now, if you know the basics, then it's good, you can carry on with this video. So we are given the mean is equal to 6. The formula for the mean is equals to sum of the numbers divided them by how many they are, and that is given as 6. So we'll find the sum of all the numbers. That's going to be 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus x, and we'll divide them with how many they are. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll divide that by 10, and that is equal to 6. So once we add all these numbers up, we get 50, and along with that we have this plus x, and in the denominator I still have 10, that is equal to 6. If I want to find the value of x, I need to get rid of this 10 which is in the denominator. So opposite of divide, that is multiply. So I multiplied by 10 on both sides, it got cancelled. I'm left with 50 plus x, which is equal to 6 times 10. That gives me 60. Now if I want to find x, that 50 is in addition, I'll get rid of 50. We'll subtract 50 on both sides, and the value of x came out as 10. So this is how you find the missing term in the data when the mean is given. Let's take another example. You can see all the numbers which have the values, they are arranged in the order, and the median in this case is given as 13. Now what is median? Median is the middlemost number. So let's cross out the numbers from both the ends. First number cancels out the last number. The second number cancels out the second to last number. Third number cancels out the third to last. And fourth cancels the fourth to last. We have two numbers at the center. So when you have two numbers at the center, we need to find their average to find the median. So that's going to be first number plus second number divided by 2, and that's equals to 13. Now what is x plus x? That is 2x plus 2 over 2 is equals to 13. That 2 is in the division. We want to get rid of that. So what we'll do? We'll multiply by 2 on both sides. So what I'm left with? 2 x plus 2 is equals to 26. That 2 is in addition. I want to get rid of that. So I'll subtract 2 from both sides. I'm left with 2x equals to 24. 2 is in multiply. So if 2 is in multiply, I want to get rid of that. So I'll divide by 2 on both sides. I got x equals to 12. And I hope that's your answer in this case. So my first missing number is 12, which is right here for x. And my second number is x plus 2, which gives me 12 plus 2, that is 14. So these are two missing numbers we have in this case. And that's how you find the missing numbers in the data set when mean or median is given. If you want to learn how to find the mean, median, mode, and range of the group data and the frequency distribution tables, please watch my other videos. If this video helped, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.